Minimization of error, accuracy, precision, and significant figures. Minimization of error. Analyst has no control on random error, but systematic error can be reduced by following methods like calibration of apparatus, control determinations, blank type determinations. First, calibration of apparatus. By calibrating all the instrument, error can be minimized and appropriate corrections are applied to the original measurement. Next, control determination. Standard substance is used in experiment in identical experiment conditions to minimize the error. Next, blank iterations. By omitting samples, a determination is carried out in identical conditions to minimize the error occur due to impurities present in the. Next, independent method of analysis. It is carried out to maintain accuracy of result, that is ferric iron is first determined thermatically by precipitation method as ferric hydroxide, and then determined trigonometrically by reduced reduction to the ferrous state. Next, parallel determination. Instead of single determination, duplicate typical determinations is carried out to minimize the possibilities of accidental errors. Next is standard addition. This method is generally applied to psycho physiochemical procedures such as polarography and spectrophotometry. Next, internal standard. It is used in spectroscopy and chromatographic determinations. Next, amplification method is it is used when a very small amount of material is to be measured, which is beyond the limit of the apparatus. Next, isotopic dilution. It is used for the compound containing radioactive isotope. Accuracy is the degree of agreement between the measured value and the true value. An absolute value is seldom known, so the term accuracy refers to how near the observed value is to true or standard values. Precision. Precision is defined as a degree of agreement between replicate measurement of the same quantity. It is the repeatability of a result. The precision may be expressed as standard value, so the term precision refers to the nearness between several measurements of the same quantity. Example: there are two analyst A and B, who determine the percentage of the silver in the same coin. The value for silver is that the coin is 100.00%, whereas two analysts obtain the following result: analyst A 99.80, 99.90, 100.00, 99.30. These four percentage which have been determined by the analyst A, and then calculate the average values by adding all four values and dividing it by 4. 99.75 will be obtained. Then error will be calculated by dividing observed value from the standard values, that is 100.00 minus 99.75. It will be 0.25%. Then determination process carried out by analyst B, and 99.75, 99.75, 99, 98.80 and 98.80. These four percentage have been determined by analyst B. Average value will be 98.715, and error can be determined by dividing observed value from the standard value. It will be 1.285%. The different observed values of analyst A differ quite much among them, hence the precision is poor but accuracy is fairly good. On the other hand, the accuracy of the result of analyst B is comparatively poor. It is 1.285%, but his observed value do not differ much from each other, hence the precision is better as compared to that in the measurement of analyst A. Precision can be determined by standard deviations. Lower the standard deviation values, higher will be the precision. Next, significant figures. The significant figure of a number are those digits that carry meaning contributions to its measurement resolution. This include all digits except all leading zeros, trial zeros, and spurious digits. A leading zero is any zero digit that comes before the first non-zero digit in a number. Trailing zero, which they are merely placeholder to indicate the scale of the number, and a spurious digit introduced, for example, by calculations carried out to greater precision than that of original data, or measurement reported to a greater precision than the equipment support. Specifically, the rules for identifying significant figures when writing or interpreting numbers are as follows. All non-zero digits are considered significant. For example, 27 is two significant figures, 2 and 7, while 312.54 has five significant figures, 3, 1, 2, 5, and 4, and zeros appearing anywhere between two non-zero digits are significant. For example, 307.2096 have 7 significant figures, 307, 20, 9 and 6. Leading 0 are not significant. For example, 0.00043 has 2 significant figures, 4 and 3. Trailing 0 in a number containing a decimal point are significant. For example, 11.3100 has 6 significant figures, 11310 and 0. The numbers 0.000213400 still has only 6 significant figures. So 0 before the 2 are not significant, means 30 before 2 and 1 before decimal are not significant. In addition, 150.00 has 5 significant figures since it has 3 trailing zeros. This convention clarifies the precision of such number. For example, if a measurement precise to 4 decimal places, 0.0001 is given as 11.31, then it might be understood that only 2 decimal places of precision are available. Stating the result as 11.3100 makes clear that it is precise to 4 decimal places. In this case, 6 significant figures and 0 after 1 are also significant. Thank you.